Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 1st of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. Please keep that in mind, okay? Now, if it is not resonating, it's not your story, honey. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, the best healing modality of the whole universe, you can purchase my masterclass. Again, the link is in description box for one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings. You can book your slots by the links given below in the description box. And if there are any queries or issues, you can mail us, okay, on tarot on the modern sannyasini@gmail.com. The mail is changed. Now let's see the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, oh my god, we have the Hanged Man, the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords. Mhm. This is someone who is stuck in this energy of should I not, should I not. Now this person is stuck on the idea of having a beautiful connection with you, long-term partnership with you, but whenever they feel like taking any kind of action in this direction, they are feeling very much stuck in this direction. They are like, even if I feel I should do something about it, I don't know what. I don't know how, I don't know when. So they're stuck in the limbo of how, what, and when. And it's like they're not able to see anybody else in the picture right now apart from you. But at the same time, they're not able to understand what they should do in order to get the right answer, right situation, get it sorted between you and them. So they're stuck on the idea of healing the situation between you and them, but they don't know how, when, and what they should do in this direction in order to bring the peace back in the situation as it used to be at some point of time, maybe. Let's see the intentions from this person's side, what they want from this person, from you, or from the situation. Oh, they just want to pretend that everything is okay. Right now, they want to play with the deceptive energies where they're continuously telling themselves that everything is okay, everything is fine, they got it all sorted, they are grounded, they are mature enough to understand everything, they are mature enough to handle everything, but they're not. And they want to keep on pretending like this only until it's like it's going to become the reality. So basically, let's say I'm very scared of something or someone, and I'm continuously telling myself, I'm not scared, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. And I want to make this one thing my reality. This is what this person wants. Although they're scared as hell, they're not able to understand what they should do in this direction. They just want to pretend that everything is sorted, everything is fine, and then they want to make this pretension as the reality, that everything is fine and everything is sorted. This is what they want right now. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, what we have till the 1st of December, honey. Libra. We have the Two of Wands, Empress, and the Chariot. They're waiting for the right time when either they will be able to have growth and expansion in their interpersonal life, and or they're waiting for your growth and expansion so that you will be able to reconnect with them in some way. Now, for some of you, financial stability was the issue. For some of you, maybe one of you left because of your career or because of something else that they have to work on. Now, they are in this energy of waiting for the right time when they will be grounded enough and successful enough so that they can do something about this situation. As of now, they are very much determined to keep on walking on, keep on moving on, keep on working on themselves, and keep on going, keep on going. Even if they are facing the fears, they are ready to face the fears and they are ready to overcome those fears. And once they are going to be in this energy of, okay, I overcame those fears, now I'm ready to take the action, then only they are going to take the action. So again, it could be a connection where one of you left because of career or money or financial stability. So they want to sort it out in within themselves. And if it was from your side, they want to wait for the time when you will be able to do that. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side, but a waiting period. Definitely a waiting period of I will do it someday. Guidance for you, the Judgment card. Forgive, forget, and let go. Forgive but not forget, and let it go. Detach. See, Libra, you got your lesson out of this situation. Whatever lessons you got out of this situation, never ever forget about them. Okay, forgive this person, forgive yourself, forgive the whole situation, but never forget the lesson that you got out of this situation, and detach. Let go and detach. Because whatever is meant for you will come to you naturally, organically, when we detach and when we just let go and surrender. That is like lesson for you, the energy for you as of now. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.